Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Josh Consults and we'll bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu. So if you are looking at buying a property right here in Enugu, be it a house or a landed property, then you should contact Josh Consults. So today we have this beautiful property right behind me. It is a 4-bedroom contemporary duplex located at Spacious Extension, Transekulu. So this property comes with a general C of O and it's selling for 150 million naira. Yes, 150 million naira is a very affordable property. I know you will love it when you see the inside of this house. So I want you to join us on the tour as we check this beautiful property. So if you are interested in this property, do well to contact Josh Consults as we'll take you on the tour to this amazing property. Come, let's go. So we are currently at the living room. As you can see, it comes with this beautiful chandelier, and if you can see all around, it's all cross ventilated, and this is the dining area with this beautiful wash hand sink. Now let me show you the beautiful part which all ladies would definitely like. So we are currently upstairs and here we have 4 spaces. So this is the family lounge and we have 2 other rooms with the master's bedroom. So I would love to show you the master's bedroom so you'll see how it looks like. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, do well to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button so that you can always get information of affordable property and amazing opportunities right here in Enugu State.